Alright, this is how to change your NAT type. What I did is I went to System Settings, then Network Settings, whatever network you have, and then Configure Network. Then that number right there, that 0.7, mine's weird, but if it was a 0.8, usually it is, then, I mean 0.2, then yeah. So if it's 0.8, then you remember 0.8. 0.7, you remember 0.7, alright? So 0.7. Now I'm going to head to the computer. Alright, hold on, I'm just taking a sip of my pop. Go to the internet. Alright, this is what you're gonna type in to the URL bar. I'm gonna type in, get rid of everything, no www. Type in 19. Hold on, it's not typing. Alright, 19. My freaking keyboard's being get 9 2 dot 168 dot 2.1. Just like that, alright? Then you go over to there, alright. This is for Belkin routers only. Sorry, I forgot to mention that. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna go down to Utilities and then System Settings. Put your password in. If you don't have one, then it's blank. Alright. Go down to this NAT enabling, which that's on. And then go down to apply changes. I don't need to. Alright. Since I never changed nothing. Go down to on the side, this gray thing. Go to firewall. And don't click firewall, but just go to DMZ. See that private IP? That's that number you had to memorize. 0.7. Make sure that's enabled. And then apply changes. Alright, so just load it back up and now it should work. Now here's my setup. I almost forgot to show you. Belkin, wireless router. Here's the modem. So yeah. I'm gonna go grab my pop. Doesn't it look yummy? Alright, I'm gonna put that right there. Right now what you're gonna do is start up whatever game you play. I'm putting in MW2. Look at this, high def HD TV right there in my HD dazzle I got going on right now. Oh my god, it won't freaking focus. There we go. Sign into Xbox Live. Multiplayer. And boom, NAT tab is open. I apologize for not showing you it before the video. I'm probably going to get a crap load of hate comments on that, but I don't care. Just try it yourself. I mean, I swear to God, it was struck before, and it doesn't work 100% of the time. 99.9% of the time it will, though, alright? So, subscribe, like, and comment. Peace out.